video. Today we're going to be making a drink that everybody loves during the season. Do you know what it is? It's hot chocolate! Yay!
For this, you'll need milk, sugar, and you'll need some cocoa powder.
Now pour some milk inside a cup. Pour as much milk as you want. Be careful. Don't spill it. Yeah. Now take the milk and put it inside the microwave for at least 1 minute. It's ready now. Now slowly take it out so it doesn't burn your hands. Now put in the cocoa powder. And mix it all up. Now add some sugar. It looks so delicious. Now mix it in. Your hot chocolate is complete. Now I'm gonna make one for myself. This one's for you, Sijit. Now the hot chocolate is ready. Now it's time to try it. It's so yummy. Wait a second.
Yeah.
Sijit?
Yeah, what is it?
I think we're missing a very important topping to this.
Is it whipped cream?
That's right. Say it louder. Whipped cream! Oh look, it's right here. Wait, make sure you shake it up so it's extra creamy. Ready?
Can I put it?
Sure. Whoa, maybe I should put it in. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Be happy.